After debuting the all-new Crosstrek at the 2023 Chicago Auto Show, Subaru is taking it to new heights with the first of its kind Crosstrek Wilderness, brand new here at the 2023 New York Auto Show. The Crosstrek gets some off-road upgrades that should make it more fun right out of the box to go play in the dirt. But what makes it different from the regular Crosstrek? Let's check it out. So the Crosstrek Wilderness is the second coolest thing here at the Subaru display, of course, after the adoptable dogs over there. And in its honor, I'm obviously wearing my finest flannel. Now, under the hood, you do get the standard 2.5 liter boxer four-cylinder. It makes 182 horsepower and 175 pounds-feet of torque. The regular Crosstrek also comes with a much wimpier 2-liter four-cylinder, but here it's just 2.5, and that's it. CVT only, just like the regular Crosstrek. Subaru has done some upgrades to the powertrain as well, so the final drive ratio is shortened and the CVT has been retuned. Subaru says it helps with low-speed driving, climbing ability, traction in slippery conditions. In other wilderness models like the Forester, we actually found that the updates made it a lot peppier around town and actually cut almost a full second off of its 0 to 60 time. We expect similar here, although we don't have any sort of figures to back that up at the moment. We have not driven this yet. Subaru also added a transmission oil cooler, which ups the Crosstrek's towing capacity considerably to 3,500 pounds, which is actually 500 more than the Forester Wilderness. Additional upgrades to the Wilderness include these Yokohama Geolander all-terrain tires, around 17-inch black wheels that are unique to the Wilderness trim. And Subaru also upgraded the suspension. The shock absorbers and springs are longer, which increases the ground clearance to 9.3 inches from 8.7. And it also improves the Crosstrek Wilderness's approach, departure, and breakover angles as well. The suspension tuning is meant to, help you off-road, but while still retaining decent ride comfort. We found that in other Wilderness models, so not too worried about that. One thing to note though, unlike other Wilderness models, there's no full-size spare for these, so bad things happen to you out on the trail, you're not replacing these tires with another one. The Crosstrek Wilderness gets lots of unique styling elements as well, including a unique grille, unique headlights. There are these copper accents all over the exterior of the car, new front bumper, new rear bumper. There's also a front skid plate down here. And then along the side, you also get things like Wilderness badging on the front doors. It's also on the liftgate. There's also this anti-glare decal on the hood. The roof rails have the copper accents again, black side mirrors, and a body color rear spoiler really completes the look. The Crosstrek Wilderness also gets standard dual mode X mode all-wheel drive, which includes both snow and dirt modes and deep snow mud modes, and is capable of detecting when you're going up a steep incline at low speeds and can basically shift the CVT into its lowest gear ratio to help you get up and over that obstacle. The Crosstrek Wilderness interior is very similar to a regular Crosstrek. You do get water-resistant upholstery, embossed Wilderness logos in the head restraints of the front seats, some copper accents, some copper contrast stitching, a little bit of faux carbon fiber here, and you do get a standard 11.6-inch touchscreen display with wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. And like every other Crosstrek for 2024, it is CVT only, so that's the only transmission choice. But overall, pretty much the exact same interior. I didn't really notice any difference even with the increase in ground clearance in stepping into the vehicle. There's probably a little bit, but it's not significant. There's no problem getting in or out. In addition to the water-resistant upholstery, you also get standard all-weather floor mats and a water-resistant removable cargo tray. Unfortunately, this is an auto show and this is a prototype, and none of that is present here. But those will be things that come with your Crosstrek Wilderness when you buy one. Subaru says the Crosstrek Wilderness will arrive in dealerships this fall with a starting price just over $33,000. There's one option package that adds a power moonroof, power adjustable driver's seat, and premium Harman Kardon audio that pushes the price to about $35,500. Now, the Wilderness package is proven on the Outback and Forester to really be a fun off-road package to have. We really like it. It's one of our favorites on various Subarus, and we're looking forward to getting to test it out on the Crosstrek. It should be a great way to go play in the dirt right off the dealership lot. For more on the 2024 Subaru Crosstrek Wilderness and all the latest here at the 2023 New York Auto Show, be sure to head to Cars.com. And if you like this content, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to get all the latest from our channel.